Ja, som I ser, så er vi igen på Dyssekilde station. As you see, we are once more at Dyssekilde station, and today we have received a lot of the works that we are going to exhibit in this beautiful old station. I den her gamle, smukke stationsbygning vil vi vise nogle af de værker, der skal udstilles. So, come on in. Just a moment, lige et øjeblik. So, here we go. Vi går ind i konferencerummet. Som I kan se, så er der allerede nogle værker på bordene. So, little by little, it begins to work. Here we go. Ouch. And these are some of the works that we have received. Det her er nogle af værkerne, som vi har modtaget. Og her ligger en af de lokale kunstnere, Birgitta Sten, maler og grafiker. And this is one of the local artists who's here, Birgitta Sten. She's a painter and graphic. And this is Jane Balsgaard. I'm not going to tell you all about everything now, but just introduce you. She's Danish, and this is from Carsten Dahl. He's Danish too. Og det er fra Carsten Dahl, og han er også dansker. Og så har vi fået nogle spændende værker udefra. Og her er det Darja Rand fra Slovenien. That's Darja Rand from Slovenia. And this is Maria Jenko from Slovenia too. Yes. Og Maria Jenko også fra Slovenien. Her er det Irina fra Sankt Petersborg. Og her er der kommet fra Sverige, Bente Holm Lauritsen. Hun er faktisk dansk, og et af hendes værker kom fra Sverige. Og det her er, and she's actually Danish, but some of her works are done in Sweden. And here we have from Kaja Pohjola from Finland. So you see, it's a very big international exhibition. And not to mention, of course, myself, Paul Jensen from Denmark. So you see, it's a very international exhibition. There's 16 foreign artists, and this is only part of the exhibition. So, and then there's 5 Danish artists participating too. So this is only part of it. For the opening, some of the artists come by themselves and bring their works, and I'm expecting 7 more pieces, so we'll have to wait and see how it all works out. I'm not going to open anything today. You have to come and see yourself. Jeg åbner ikke noget i dag. Man må selv komme herud og se, hvad der er i pakkerne. Og det er jo ligesom lidt juleaften, det her. So welcome to the next shot from Dyssekilde station.